Picnic time.
Feeding program.
Okay. Picnic crabbing today. Kaya mga tropa. So, rain or shine, picnic dito sa Bilcara today. Right. Bro. Daniel.
Shout out sa'yo, Boss Leklek.
Oh, Boss Leklek. Paano yan? Oliver, goods? Rain or shine, bro? Nice. Alright, low tide. Sakto, maganda pag low tide. Makaka-sit up ng lutuan. Alright, Bilcara. Hanap tayo ng spot. Okay.
Hi!
Bilcara, yung mga adik sa crabs. Okay. Oh, naganda. Oh, look. This is crabs. Or one catch, bro. Right. Naganda, bro. For lunch. Buns. Right.
Maraming talaba.
Sumaruno sa baw. Oo, dati yan, no.
Tapos maano pa.
Bugo. Sakan. Ito ang buhay, ba? Nagsalan. Oh. Wow. Alright. Up.
Nung nag-struggle yung babae, kasi lang yung paddleboard.
Fresh oyster. Yun, no? Oyster. Buksan natin, tapos igigisa. Yung. So ilulutin natin yung oyster. Oh. Buttered oyster. No crabs. Oh, kain ulit. Sili at suka. Woo! Fresh catch na crabs and oyster buttered. Right. Okay, we're home. Tapos ng picnic sa kakakrabing with the gang. Alright.